6th and 3rd Inter-School Boys and Girls Football League Championship Trophy 2022 kick-off from 11th of November at Dilai Playground. 3rd Deephu Winter Cricket Tournament 2022 is scheduled from 13 to 26 of November at SAI Complex 5 Mile, Deephu. Bamboo Supplier cum Grower Association called a press conference at Hanjang Langso PWD IB on 12 of November.
Kardom isia birta ke me penenga Christmas ke kan thega tum phan nang tum akke joy penang tum amen che thapon ji apen ke kan ke haya tum phan nang tum nong e tame longpon ji lapen certificate nang tum longpon ji asnang tum peder de pin pen la aber ke pi WhatsApp number long nang tum nang loing non nang le tum ke kan a video apen nang tum aron la lo a video la person ar pam si enang ji nang le tum phan ar talang le de ji apen nang tum ma du tame that open for all kan long ji apen nang tum video ke der night ame haikuni thong ke bang bong nang aprang nang kilo lam pa si chuning ri lo nang tum la ti dia WhatsApp number long pardon.
Good morning viewers, you are watching KAL Live English Prime Time. Under the initiative of Karbi Students Association, Dilai Head Branch organized the 6th and 3rd Inter-School Boys and Girls Football League Championship Trophy 2022 at Dilai Playground from 11th of November. It was reported that a total of 10 schools had enrolled their names in boys category and as many as 7 schools had registered their names in girls category. The inaugural match of the tournament in boys category was played between Dilai High School and Serdihun English High School, where Dilai High School beat Serdihun English High School with 4 victory goals. Likewise, in girls category, the inaugural match was played between St. John's School and Dilai Government ME School, but due to the equal talent and skill from both the teams, they were unable to score till the full time of the match. In the inaugural ceremony, Tu Heswar Terang, president of KAL Nihang Donsuri Zonal Committee, took the honor to inaugurate the 6th and 3rd Inter-School Boys and Girls Football League Championship Trophy 2022. Nobin Rongpi, Secretary of KSA Bokajan Regional Committee, President, KSA Dilai Head Branch, Tenson Taro, Sports Secretary, AUDC SU, President and Secretary of Kanchasdikom Dilai Committee, President, Karsa Dilai Branch and many dignitaries of the region attended the inaugural ceremony of the 6th and 3rd Inter-School Boys and Girls Football League Championship Trophy 2022. Brojen Hanse, Secretary of KSA Dilai Head Branch, while speaking to us, informed that the main motive to organize such event is to eradicate the community barriers among children from various schools and to encourage the students and uplift the sport culture at the region.
Nilitum laso kapathu ki mang la pulo school tumang bong ban stami alang litum hijana bong stami kachichini ta dopo ang paris stami kapathu parong ro hin stami litum ahawar stami also ching thur dangji pajok sin litum laso school le bang aprang pen ki pen pining deng thok la penar so lo tuming deng thoman ang thun abe warning bom lo ason sin litum aprang ke rang jilang stami anse laso kapathu parong ro long football det be asona sona pathu stami litum Kibi ponji pasin litum Dilai KSA ropi bane ka ke samay chisig lo.
Bijoy Rongpi's report from Dilai for KAL Live. Low Budget Cricket Club in collaboration with KAL Sports Association is all set to organize the 3rd edition of Deephu Winter Cricket Tournament 2022 from 13th to 26th of November at SAI Complex 5 Miles, Deephu. On 2nd of November, Low Budget Cricket Club released an official statement with reference to the 3rd edition of Deephu Winter Cricket Tournament 2022. It was stated that we, the Low Budget Club, Deephu, is organizing the 3rd edition of the Open Leather Ball Cricket Tournament, namely 3rd Deephu Winter Cricket Tournament 2022, in collaboration with KAL Sports Association. The tournament will start with the opening match on 13th of November between Udali CC versus DCC Golaghat. The tournament will be held at 5 Mile Sports Complex Ground, Deephu Manja Road near Recreation Park, Deephu. starting from 13th of November 2022 to 26th of November 2022. The total of 24 teams from all over Northeast India will compete in the tournament for the Winners' Trophy along with prize money of Rs 70,000 only and Runners' Cup with prize money of Rs 40,000 only. For more details, you may contact at the numbers provided on your screen: 8133022844, 7086339034, or you may mail your queries at lowbudgetclubdipu@gmail.com, or you may follow the official Facebook page of Low Budget Club on Facebook for more queries and updates. News Desk Report, KAL English. On 12th of November, around 3:30 p.m. early evening, Bamboo Supplier cum Growers Association called for an urgent press conference at Hanjang Langso PWD IB. Gobi Ningti Kathar, President, and Sunil Terang, Secretary of Bamboo Supplier cum Growers Association, while addressing the media, informs that Karbi Anglong and the Mahasau district are blessed with uncountable quantity of bamboos. As the twin districts are equipped with various species of bamboos and their existence can be assumed since the time immemorial. Therefore, Forest Department has the legal rights govern over these resources. Also stated that all the bamboo suppliers or whoever is willing to supply bamboos are mandated to pay challan and acquire trip permit from the Forest Department, or else they would be debarred from supplying bamboos within or outside the district. This would help the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council in generating revenues through Forest Department.
Check a pon bom nangji, ansilitum chojor longji, kachojor long sitame to ekta systematic longsi, chojor pon pen loliput elitum anso seki wangilang anitame, choklem tag anacortatum that develop on tagi pusi matapon.
Gobi Ningti Kathar, President, while addressing the media, informed that the association aims to plant more bamboos and multiply the production of it, and also aims to monitor the bamboo supplying business in Karbi Anglong to get the suitable amount of bamboos. Bamboo Suppliers cum Growers Association must abide by the terms and conditions set by Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. In the coming days, the association would soon set up their office at Hanjang Langso near the MS Terang refill station.
Non ke bangji Nifai 12 November 2022 Arni penke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ahin pen jitu check ka supply tu maphan Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ahin pen ke pathik pon jitu chalan RTP alang ni tumang than pon vekna po sinil kumphan sonsibirta nang pilo pen order taminil tumana pilo.
Ananterang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.